Hi, welcome again to Hindi Learning Made Easy. This is Vocabulary Series Part 2, Naming Words. In this series, we are learning naming words. In the previous video, we had learned names of some basic colors. If you have not watched that video, please click the link below in the description box and watch that video first. This video is in continuation of names of colors, and you will learn some more colors in Hindi, which can be seen on your screen. At the end of this lesson, we will do the quiz and enjoy the colors we have learned. So let's start. Can you tell me what color is in Hindi? Yes, let's revise. Color is rang, and also the gender of the word rang is masculine. Speak with me. Rang. Let us now learn the color black in Hindi. Black is kala. Observe, it is not kala, it is kala. Speak with me. Kala. Next color is white. Do you know what we call white in Hindi? It is safed. Safed. Here, when you say the, your tongue should touch the teeth from behind. Observe. Safed. Safed. Let us learn color grey in Hindi. It is slate. Do you know slate rang is named after grey slate, which is grey color rock? Yes, it is named after slate. So speak with me. Slate. 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 Next color, brown. Brown is bhura in Hindi. Bhura. Observe, is not bura, it is bhura. The ha sound is coming with ba. Bhura. Speak with me. Bhura. Let's revise. Kala. Safed. Slate. Bhura. Kala. Safed. Slate. Bhura. Quiz time now. Let me see how many names you remember. Colors will appear on the screen in random order, and you have to speak the name of that color. Let us start. Here we go. Did you get it right? Bhura. Next color. Kala. Next. Slate. Next one. Safed. Here again. Kala. This one. Slate. And the last one. Bhura. One more. सफेद. Comment down below and let me know how many you get it right. I'm going to teach you 2 more colors with which you can impress any Hindi speaker or any Indian. The color is golden. In Hindi, we say sunehra. Speak with me. Sunehra. 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 The next color is silver color. In Hindi, it is rupehla. 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 Speak with me. Rupehla. I would request you to find these colors around you and speak their names in Hindi. Find the pictures of these colors from some magazines and paste it in your picture book and write the color names in Hindi. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi with me. Dhanyawad. Namaste.